Now you might be wondering what is torch cross, and you might have heard of crisscross, but first of all let's make a simple cross. To do that we'll start with the basic swing and cross our hands to make a simple cross. So you can see that my right hand is under my left hand. To make a torch cross, all we have to do is move our right hand under our left foot, and that's how we make a torch cross. Let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the basic swings. And we have to move our right hand under our left foot, and that's how we make a torch cross. So this is the first step, and you have to practice a lot. I practiced a lot unless I got it right. And then moving on to the second step, all we have to do is add a jump. Let's focus on the first step. What we did, we started with the basic swing and then perform the torch cross. Now right now you can see that there is a loop through which we have to jump. So let's focus on the second step. We have to start with the basic swing again, make a torch cross and jump. So this was the second step. But there are two difficulties which you will face while performing these two steps. First one is it is really hard to make that cross, and the second difficulty is it is really hard to make that balance while performing that jump. Now in the third step, all we have to do is just uncross our hands. We'll start with the basic swing again, perform the torch cross and uncross our hands. Now don't worry about the last jump. In the fourth step, all we have to do is worry about that jump. We have to jump again and place our left foot on the ground. Let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the basic swing, perform torch cross, uncross and jump again, and that's how you perform a torch cross. Now guys, if you want to learn this jump rope trick, you have to be patient enough, because even the first step of this jump rope trick is quite difficult. And if you have any questions about this trick, you can comment below. And I would like to tell you that today is 26th January. Today is Republic Day in India, and it is really a proud day for all of us, because our constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950 after achieving independence in 15th August 1947. And it is really a proud day for all of us. I would like to leave you with my own thought that we all have freedom. We can pursue our dreams, we can do whatever we want, but it is a gift. It has been gifted to us from freedom fighters by sacrificing their lives. And I believe we have this one chance to pursue our dreams, and we should do it. And I'll see you in the next video.